Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Phone app, then in the top right corner tap on the 3 vertical dots button. Select Settings. In the call settings, tap on Supplementary Services. Tap Show your caller ID and then select Never. If you have 2 SIM cards in your phone, then you can hide your caller ID for your second SIM card below. Your caller ID is now hidden. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.